When you think about your identity, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Your name, right? But here's a thought. Your name is just the beginning of your story. There's so much more to who you are beneath that simple label. So, who are you really? Most people struggle to capture the full depth of their identity. When we introduce ourselves, we usually mention things like our job or where we're from. But let's go deeper. You're not just a job title or a hometown. These are labels that can change. Your true self is more than these external identifiers. Imagine someone asks who you are. You might say your age, your job, or your hometown. But these are just parts of your story, not the whole picture. Jobs change, you get older, and you might move. But your core self stays the same. Tough times and challenges don't define you. They come and go, but your true self remains unchanged. It's like peeling back layers to reveal something constant at your core. So next time someone asks about you, remember it's more than just a list of external things. You're not just your experiences or your job description. There's a constant, unchanging you beneath all the labels, a you that stays steady through all of life's ups and downs. Now let's talk about anxiety and overthinking. We all have moments when our minds race with worries about the future or get stuck in endless thoughts. But here's the important part. You are not your anxiety, and you are not your overthinking. Think of it like this. There are two parts of you. One part goes through tough times, feeling anxious or trapped in thoughts. The other part observes these feelings without getting caught up in them. This observer part of you is aware of the anxiety and the overthinking. So who is this observer? It's you. You notice these mental states, but you aren't defined by them. This awareness is powerful. It's like stepping back to see the bigger picture. Imagine being in a play. One part of you acts out the tough scenes, while the other part watches from the audience, understanding the story. This duality helps when life gets tough. It's easy to let challenges define you, but real strength comes from recognizing that you are the one observing these challenges, not just the one experiencing them. In tough moments, remind yourself that the part of you aware of the suffering is not the part experiencing it. This awareness gives you a bit of distance from your struggles, helping you see beyond the immediate difficulty and find a way through. The power of awareness. In life, we all face challenges, moments of difficulty, pain, or suffering. But here's something important to understand. The part of you that is aware of the suffering is not the same as the part experiencing it. Imagine having two sides within you. One side goes through tough times, while the other side, the one aware of what's happening, stays steady. Think of it as having a built-in separation between experiencing something and being aware of that experience. This awareness is a powerful tool. When you're overthinking or stressed, ask yourself, who is aware of this? It's not about finding an answer in your thoughts, but recognizing that you are aware. It's like being both the actor and the audience in the play of your life. Shifting your focus from being caught up in thoughts to being the observer of those thoughts can be transformative. It's like zooming out to see the bigger picture. You realize that while one part of you goes through tough times, the other part watches and understands. You're not just the person experiencing life's ups and downs. You're also the awareness that stands apart, understanding and interpreting these moments. This awareness can help you detach from your suffering and navigate through life's storms with a clearer mind. Connecting with your true self. Let's explore the concept of connecting with your true self, a self that goes beyond external circumstances. It's about realizing there's something greater within you. Consider the awareness you have right now as you read or listen. It's like a constant presence in the background of your mind, always there, always observing. This awareness is a core aspect of your being, transcending the ups and downs of daily life. You're not confined by your past, your life story, or your mistakes. These are experiences you've had, but they don't define who you are at your core. Your true nature remains untouched by external circumstances because you are the observer of everything that happens in your life. This understanding is crucial. It's recognizing that at your core, you are pure consciousness, pure awareness. You're not limited by the events that have shaped your journey. Instead, you are the one who watches, understands, and navigates through those events. When you're aware of your own thoughts and emotions, you tap into this deeper aspect of yourself. It's a moment of recognition that you're not just the person experiencing those thoughts and feelings, you are also the awareness of them. This shift in perception brings you closer to your inner self, providing a profound sense of your true identity. It's a departure from seeing yourself solely as someone reacting to external circumstances. Instead, you recognize yourself as the awareness that witnesses and comprehends those reactions. This practice of self-awareness isn't about detachment. It's a return to your natural state of pure love, peace, joy, and self-assuredness. It's understanding that you have the power to shape your reality and navigate through life's experiences with a grounded and centered perspective. When you take a moment to be aware of yourself, you're not just acknowledging your current state of mind, you're acknowledging the fundamental aspect of your being, the awareness that transcends the ebb and flow of life. This recognition brings you closer to your true self, reminding you that you are not just an ordinary person. You are life itself, fully present in the here and now. Inner strength and transformation. Let's delve into the concept of inner strength and the transformative power it holds. Within you is a remarkable wellspring of resilience, a core strength that can bring about powerful changes in your life. This strength isn't something separate from you. It is an integral part of your being. Think of it as tapping into a source of power that lies deep within your awareness. This isn't a strength born from external achievements or circumstances. It's an innate quality that emerges when you recognize your true self. As you deepen your connection with this inner strength, you'll find the ability to navigate life's challenges with a newfound sense of ease and assurance. This inner strength isn't about denying or escaping difficulties. Instead, it's about confronting them with resilience that comes from understanding your fundamental nature. Challenges exist because you are aware of them, and through this awareness, you gain the ability to not just endure, but to thrive amidst adversity. Your life story, past events, and even the mistakes you've made don't determine the essence of this inner strength. Instead, they become threads in the fabric of your journey, experiences witnessed by the ever-present awareness within you. This awareness remains untarnished, a constant amidst the ever-changing scenes of life. Recognizing this inner strength means acknowledging that your current beliefs or circumstances don't define your essence. You possess the power to reshape them and rewrite your life story. It's understanding that your true nature isn't confined by external narratives. It is pure consciousness, unaltered by the transient nature of life's events. Your awareness becomes a guiding force, allowing you to navigate through the ups and downs with unwavering resolve. The practice of self-awareness is not a journey into isolation. Instead, it's a return to your authentic self, a self rooted in the unchanging core of pure awareness. This inner strength isn't a distant concept. It's a tangible force that empowers you to shape your reality. Your life story isn't set in stone. You have the ability to rewrite it. Feelings of sadness or anxiety don't define you. They are experiences observed by the awareness within. By understanding this, you discover the power to change how you respond to challenges, creating a positive ripple effect in your life. If this message resonated with you, please consider sharing it with someone who might appreciate it. Feel free to leave your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Until next time.